Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 11s, and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this device. Now, this logic will apply to any other device, but this is basically what I have right here and what I will be using for this. So, anyway, once you got your tempered glass right here, you can take it out, set it to the side for now, and in here you should also find, there we go, wet and dry wipe. Now you could use those, to be honest, but if you have a microfiber cloth, I highly recommend using that instead. It will be much simpler, bigger, and easier. Additionally, sometimes the wet wipes right here are dry, so they're completely useless, and all I do is just toss them out anyway. And one more annoying part about these wet wipes and dry ones are the sheer size of them. Like, you know, I'm actually gonna quickly showcase this, because they're so huge that it's just laughable. And there you go. There is your wet one. Now it is actually wet, as you can probably see, but what am I supposed to do with tiny little thing like this? So there we go. I'm going to be using a microfiber cloth for this. So you want to basically get rid of all these smudges that you have on your screen, make it as clean as you possibly can. Now, if you have this plastic already applied to it, as you can see, I have the pre-applied protective film that comes with this phone by default. You can keep this on, it won't really interfere in any kind of way if you want to additionally add a tempered glass to it. It's not going to be visible in any kind of way, so there we go. So anyway, once you got your screen completely cleaned, what you want to do is have your fiber cloth ready, just in case any kind of speck of dust settles on your screen. So anyway, it's basically as clean as it can get. Peel off the protective little cover, have it ready, give it a couple swipes just to get rid of any kind of dust that might have settled, and apply the tempered glass. Now the way I like to do it is I just place it on an edge and then drop it, and as you can see, it just starts basically spreading all around. So hopefully you did see that, and there we go. That's basically as complex as it gets. Additionally, I do recommend having your case on the phone. Like I do have one, as you can see, because it basically acts like a bumper for the tempered glass. So if you place it too close to one edge, the actual temper or the case will prevent it from sticking to the actual phone, which then you can lift it up again and reorientate it just so it hits the glass perfectly. So the case is really handy for that. So I don't recommend taking it off. But anyway, it's basically how you would apply a tempered glass to your phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.